The Tesla Model 2 is gearing up for its grand reveal at the upcoming Tesla shareholder event, undoubtedly the company's most anticipated event of the year. This moment has been circled on the calendars of eager fans for months. The headline: the base rear-wheel drive version of the Model 2 will launch at just $15,990. The all-wheel drive variant will be priced higher, of course. But what's truly surprising is that, despite being introduced as a brand new model, it won't feel entirely unfamiliar. That's right, the Model 2 shares a strong family resemblance with the Model Y and carries over a design minimalism that may catch you off guard. Still, this move looks like a direct strike against Tesla's Chinese competitors, especially BYD compared to most entry-level EVs coming out of China. The Model 2 clearly benefits from superior engineering now. The first round of lucky customers getting their hands on the Model 2 has already been announced, and for the rest of us, we could be seeing deliveries begin as early as next year. After years of waiting and speculating, it finally feels like the dream of owning a Tesla is within reach for the masses. So today, let's dig into exactly how Tesla managed to strip down their formula to create this affordable EV. What's great, what's not so great, and what compromises had to be made. We'll break it all down and figure out if this car is truly worth your money. Looking at Tesla's recent history, you'll notice a pattern. The company unveils game-changing products nearly every year. In 2023, it was the Cybertruck. In 2024, all eyes turned to the Cybercab and the Optimus robot, both revealed in the fall, Tesla's favorite launch window. So it makes sense that the Model 2 is expected to take the spotlight at this year's November event. And honestly, it might just be the ray of light Tesla needs in what's otherwise been a challenging year. Even if it doesn't quite rival the Model 3 or Y, the demand for this car is already through the roof. Elon Musk himself admitted that the scale of demand is so huge, he can't even begin to estimate it. That says a lot, but it raises a bigger question: why does Tesla always choose the end of the year to unveil something like the Model 2? The answer's simple: revenue and stock pressure. Tesla's financials have taken a hit lately, and a strategic launch like this can boost both revenue and investor confidence. The EV battle between Tesla and BYD is heating up fast, and Elon Musk knows it. BYD is now pumping out cars starting at just $9,000. Without a Tesla that's equally disruptive, the company risks falling behind. And the sales numbers are showing it. BYD has outpaced Tesla in the first 2 quarters of this year. That makes the Model 2 not just a new product, it's a strategic life raft. So when Tesla announced that the Model 2 would launch at just $15,990, it genuinely caught everyone by surprise. That's well below the original goal of $25,000 at this point. That higher price tag doesn't even make much sense anymore, it's just not competitive. But $15,990, that's a game changer. It also raises a fair question. How can Tesla, a brand known for premium EVs, make a car that affordable? And can they really uphold the quality their customers expect at that price? The answer: not without making sacrifices. You're about to see how Tesla has cut corners to make this car possible, and some longtime fans might not be thrilled. Still, if you're not obsessed with luxury finishes or supercar-level performance, the Model 2 might just hit the sweet spot. According to verified internal sources, production of the Model 2 quietly started at Tesla's Fremont facility back in March. A few prototype hatchback versions were built, each about 159 inches long, roughly 15% shorter than the Model Y, which explains all the camouflaged test cars spotted around the Fremont plant lately. When you park it beside a Model Y, the size difference is clear. So what do you think? Would you rock a Tesla hatchback? In the US, hatchbacks haven't traditionally been favorites. Crossovers dominate here. But that doesn't mean there's no room in the market. In fact, Tesla's lineup has been missing this body style entirely. The Model S, X3 and Y all lean towards sedans and SUVs, so this move could help Tesla attract a new wave of buyers. Even though production has technically begun, full-scale manufacturing isn't expected until early next year, with Giga Shanghai set to ramp up as well. One major reason for the delay: final rounds of quality control and safety testing still need to be completed, especially since this model has been stripped of many premium features. Now let's talk about what's missing. First off, this is definitely a hatchback, not a crossover. Tesla's kept the design simple, following the new aesthetic that includes the light bar styling seen on the Cybertruck and Cybercab, with short overhangs front and rear. Cargo space in the trunk is limited, but that's expected given the car's compact 159-inch length. To achieve that headline-grabbing $15,990 price tag, Tesla had to make several major cost-cutting moves. For starters, synthetic leather seats have been replaced with standard fabric upholstery. While some buyers may not love this, it's an understandable trade-off in a sub-$20,000 car and saves Tesla around $400 per unit. Next, Tesla removed the ventilated seat option, saving another $300. That's because ventilation systems require more parts and complexity, and on a budget model, it's simply not necessary. The power liftgate gone, it's now manual, saving an extra $250 in hardware and long-term reliability issues. And no surprise here, the rear passenger entertainment screen has been eliminated as well, shaving off another $300 to $400. Why the aggressive cost cutting? A major factor is the loss of the $7,500 federal EV tax credit, which used to serve as a built-in discount for buyers. Now that it's gone, Tesla is essentially eating that cost itself. Every dollar matters now more than ever. Additional cuts include replacing multicolor ambient lighting with a single white LED setup, saving around $120, and trimming the speaker system down from 14 to 9 units, reducing costs by about $250. Together, these changes bring down costs without completely sacrificing the Tesla experience. Despite the trims, essential Tesla features remain: the central touchscreen, autopilot, wireless phone charging, and over-the-air software updates. Plus, Tesla may debut a new motor using ferrite magnets rather than rare earth materials. Musk hinted at this innovation back in 2020. These motors cost about $1,000 compared to the $3,000 units in current models, which could save Tesla up to $2,000 per vehicle. Not only does this lower production costs, but it also reduces reliance on Chinese supply chains. But the biggest cost factor of all, batteries, they make up 30% to 40% of an EV's total cost. While the Model 3's battery can cost upwards of $15,000, the Model 2 will use a smaller 53 kilowatt-hours LFP battery, which is cheaper and better suited for this compact hatchback. Sure, LFP batteries don't pack the same energy density as NMC cells, but they charge quickly and last longer, and they're affordable. Tesla estimates the Model 2 will get around 230 miles of range, which is impressive for a car under $20,000. For now, these LFP batteries are being produced in China, but Tesla plans to localize production starting next year with a new battery facility in Nevada. The company has already ordered the equipment to manufacture the cells in-house, which could slash battery costs by $1,500 to $2,000 per pack. This move will also eliminate import duties and tighten up the supply chain, a huge win. Tesla VP Lars Marave put it best: "Our goal is not to build a car worse than any we've ever made. It'll feel similar to the current models, but it'll be affordable." That's a powerful message. Model 2 will use the same production line as the Model Y and Model 3, cutting the need for a brand new expensive setup. This shared manufacturing line is a key reason why Tesla can hit the ground running, and here's where things get exciting. Tesla is planning to use a next-gen Gigapress to build the Model 2, one that's 50,000 tons strong. That's more than 8 times larger than the one currently used for the Model Y. Instead of casting just the rear underbody, Tesla will mold the entire chassis, floor, and underbody in one shot. This will drastically cut production time, potentially bringing it down to just 30 seconds per vehicle. That's faster than even the current 35-second pace at Giga Shanghai. This streamlined process will dramatically reduce build errors, simplify automation, and cut costs further, making the $15,990 target price more realistic than ever. It's part of Elon Musk's long-standing vision, making the factory itself the ultimate machine. Interestingly, the Model 2 wasn't always a top priority for Musk. In fact, he once called it pointless and shifted focus to projects like the Cybercab. But after delays, cancellations, and changes of heart, the Model 2 is finally here, and it might just be Tesla's most important launch to date. With production already underway and full-scale output on the horizon, the Model 2 represents a turning point. Tesla needs strong growth after a tough first half of the year, and this car could be the spark that reignites the brand. It's not just a cheap EV, it's a calculated strike to reclaim dominance in an increasingly competitive market. The Model 2 might not be revolutionary, but it's exactly the car Tesla needs right now.